Hi friends! Kamusta? Today, we will go to Penery Provincial Park. Ako ay magso-solo camping. Actually, if you can see yung mga nasa likod ko, that's my blanket. So, kinda full. I don't know, I think hindi nyo makita. Nandito si Arnold sa tabi ko. So, nag-stop over ako ngayon sa Tim Hortons. Dahil in sobrang antok ako kanina. As in talaga. My God. From Waterloo to Penery, it takes 1 hour and 40 minutes. That's the reason why. Nag-stop ako dito para kumuha ng coffee. I have the coffee now. So, excited ako. Alright. 26 minutes na lang. Makakarating na ako sa Penery. Kaya medyo malapit-lapit na. And this is my third time doing camping this year. It actually as well na first time ko mag-camping this year. So, yung una sa my Guelph Conservation Area. Then pangalawa, last week with my brother's friends. Dito actually sa Penery din. Sa Penery Provincial Park din. So, I'm so happy dahil medyo familiar na ako sa lugar ng campsite mismo, sa campground. So, yun lang. Pero iba yung campsite ko. Parang last time it was Riverside 2. But today I will be in Riverside 1. Yun. So, yun lang naman. So, I'll see you later, alright? See ya!
The destination is on your right. Penery Provincial Park. Arrived.
Okay. So, I just need to register, I think. Yeah. Hi there.
Checking in?
Yes.
What site?
Sorry. It's okay. 486. That's fine. We're here.
For Jason?
Yes.
Perfect. And it's just you? You're all set to go to practice?
Riverside 1, right? Okay.
Turn right.
Okay.
It goes 3, 2, 1. So area 1's the third
3,
one.
2, 1. Thank you. All right, we're gonna go. Alright. Okay, so nakapark na ako sa campsite. This is Riverside 1, campsite 486. So yeah, I think maganda naman yung location nung napili ko dahil malapit sa washroom. At the same time, meron kasi ako, ang pinili ko kasi service. So if you say service, meron siyang electricity na kasama. So yun, which is good kasi 2 nights ako dito. So napakaganda, okay siya dahil meron akong electricity. But actually, I brought my mini generator. So meron naman ako nun. Pero at least, meron akong electricity, which is really, really good. So let's see, I'll show you yung camp natin before ako mag-set up. Yan. So, this is the table, yung campfire andito. So, I'm thinking actually na dito ako mag-set up. Dito ako mag-set up ng tent ko. Yan, para malapit-lapit din sa campfire. Tinakpan ko yung daan para hindi siya masyadong open kasi nga plan ko na dito ako mag-set up. This side, free pa to actually. Yan, pwede pa to dito. Well, mag-isa lang naman ako, so okay lang. And I will show you yung electricity. So, yan. So, this side, yan. So, meron akong dalawa. And then, on this side, wala. Nakalagay, no power. But anyway, that's fine. No? So, yeah. So, diba? Okay naman. May mga trees din. Tsaka hindi naman masyadong malamig ngayon. Mainit ngayon. So, okay din ako. At the same time, kung nakikita nyo yun doon, yan na mismo actually yung shower at saka bathroom. And then, yeah, shower area. Yan. So, malapit lang siya na siguro wala pang 2 minutes walk yun eh. So, yun, okay naman siya. Kaya happy ako. Hi! Are you ready? Kawawa naman siya. Kanina pa naghihintay. Alright, mag-set up na ako. Alright, so tapos ko nang ilabas lahat ng gamit ko. Andun na rin yung griller ko. I know na medyo marami siya. Pero actually yung bearings ko nasa unahan pa ng car. So ang gagawin ko na ngayon, mag-set up for the tent. I have tarpaulin here. So 8 by 10 siya. Before parang ang binili ko lang ata last time ay 8 by 6. Yeah, kaya medyo ano siya, medyo maliit sa tent ko. Pero I'm hoping na ito sakto na siya. Diba? Yep. So for my tent, I actually have 4-person instant tent from Coleman. Alright, so medyo nalatag ko na yung tent ko tsaka yung tarpaulin. So I have my pallet and yung mga metal na, kalimutan ko yung tawag dito, na para ma-secure yung mismong tarp at the same time yung tent as well. So I'm gonna put this one para ma-secure na siya. Alright, so secure na yung tarp. So I'm gonna try to set up na to finalize na setup natin ang ating instant tent. Okay, so secured na lahat, tarp and the tent. Karoon na ng problem dito dahil kailangan kong i-secure to eh. So yun ang ginawa natin para sigurado lang, but that's fine. Yep, we're good to go. So yeah, so this will be our home, Arnie and I, for 3 days, 2 nights. So yeah, I will set up muna yung tent ko and lahat, and I won't be able to vlog because like it takes me a long time to do it. So yeah, para makapag-focus ako, makapag-set up na ako dahil it's actually 6 p.m. na. So kailangan ko na rin i-set up yung makakain ng dinner. Alright? See you later! Let's tour now. So, ayan. So yung aking chairs, may griller, ang aking kitchen table. Meron tayong butane dito. Preparing for my dinner actually. Arnold! Hi! Yan. And then, ang car ko nakapark at ang ating tent. Yes. So, 4-person tent, instant tent. Yep. Simple lang naman. Okay, so ang bed ko ay Coleman. Hinirap ko lang naman yan. Airbed yan. And then, that's the bed of Arnold. That's my bag and Arnold stuff. So, meron ito ay actually heater yan. So, in case tonight na malamig. So, yeah. So, I have my light later. Alright. Meron siyang sa side na window, one side, the other side, and also ito yung front. And then yeah, 3 sides lang ang may window, tapos yung likod wala. Yeah, it was good. So tonight actually I have my ramen here, and then I'm frying pork. So lalagay ko yung pork sa ramen ko later on. And kasi wala akong meat masyado. So yun lang. Yun ang dinner ko for today. So, I am now eating my dinner. Actually, late na. 7:30 na siya. I have noodles, ramen, and rice. Gabi na po. It's time for our campfire. Medyo late na eh. Late na yung paggawa ko ng campfire. Hi there. Alright, so it's already 9 p.m. So as you can see, madilim na. Actually, mabilis nang dumilim ngayong, even if it's still summer. September na kasi. So yun na, isa lang yung ibig sabihin ng papalapit na ang fall. After ng fall, winter na. Napakabilis lang. So anyway, so first night dito sa Pinery Provincial Park. So far so good. I like it. And then as you can see, I already made my campfire, set up my tent. I have some light kasi hindi nyo ako makikita pag hindi ako naglagay ng light na ganito. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, si Arnold nandito sa tabi ko sa isang chair. Natutulog na siya. So, ayun. Right now, nanonood lang ako ng Netflix. Ang pinapanood ko ngayon ay Black Mirror. Yun lang naman. So, natapos ko na rin, natapos set up, kumain, nailakad ko na rin si Arnold. But the thing is, I actually have yung electricity. Pero, ang problem ko, yung source of, yung water source. So, nakita ko naman, nung naglakad kami ni Arnold, nakita ko may water source doon. Kaya lang, medyo malayo-layo ng konti. May pagkamalakad, pero hindi naman masyadong malayo. So, iniisip ko, meron ako kasi maliit na basin. So nilagay ko muna doon yung mga hugasan ko. Most probably bukas ko na siya hugasan. I just wanted to, to relax na. Kaya, yan, nanonood lang ako dito. I'll finish siguro one episode and then after that, I'm gonna go inside like the tent and then manonood probably. So, yun. So far, okay siya. I like it and having a solo camping, it's time to relax. I know, the first night, kasi syempre, mag-set up ka. So, ang dami mong ginagawa. Pero, at the end of the day, yun, yung feeling na fulfilled, naka-set up ka na and everything and you're good to relax na since I will be staying here for 3 days and 2 nights. Hi friends, good morning. It is our day 2. Kaka-check ko lang ng weather, it's 12 degrees. So, as you can see, I just wore t-shirt last night. So I was expecting actually na freezing cold. That's why I brought the portable heater. Pero hindi naman. But I think it also helped yung yung makapal kong blanket. I got 2 blankets din naman. So, ayun, tingin ko nakatulong to. And sarap na tulog namin ni Arnold. So, Arnold has his own bed sa gilid. Pero nasa tabi ko siya. Most probably siguro dahil malamig din. And I'm glad kasi Arnold helps me as well na magkaroon ng warm as well. Kaya, yun. So, today, I don't have any plans yet. Pero I'm going out. We're gonna go for a walk a bit and then pagbalik saka na ako magka-coffee and everything. So, yan. So, samahan niyo ako. See ya! Good morning again. Medyo nailakad ko na si Arnold ng konti. Napakain ko na rin siya. So, it's time for me to have my breakfast or even my coffee muna siguro. Okay. Ow! Siyempre mainit. Buti hindi siya super init na napasok ako, no? Alright, so usually, ang ininom ko talaga in the morning, it's a ground coffee. Ano bang meron ako sa bahay? Meron akong actually na Tim Hortons. Pero nakalimutan ko na meron nga akong electricity dito. Sana pala dinala ko na lang yung coffee maker ko na maliit lang. But anyway, that's fine. Kaya bumili ako ng instant coffee kahapon. Because I thought na mahirapan ako sa electricity. Ewan ko nga ba? Alam ko naman na service yung yung ni-request ko or pinurchase ko na campsite. Pero still, hindi ko nagdala pa rin ako ng instant coffee. Dami, no? Let's taste it. Lagban ng konti. Yeah. I think this is good for until tomorrow. Actually, inisip ko pa kung ano may breakfast ko. Pero inisip ko na lang, may natira akong strips ng pork, and then magka-final ako ng egg, and then fried rice as well. So, yun lang siguro. Pero I wanted to have my coffee first. Good. It's good. It's time to eat now. So, ang ginawa ko lang naman ay nag-fried lang ako ng rice na may egg, and then nilagyan ko lang ng nori again, yung natira ko kagabi. And then itong pork din na natira ko, tanggalan muna natin ng more oil. Alam nyo naman, medyo kakaedad na tayo at meron na rin mga nararamdaman ng konti, pero yeah. But I think kailangan kong gumawa ng sausawan. But anyway, I'm gonna eat muna ng breakfast, and then kailangan kong ayusin to, at kailangan kong maghugas ng pinggan kasi hindi ako napaghugas kagabi. Tapusin ko lang, and then I'll see you later. Gawa lang tayo ng sausawan. Actually, meron lang naman ako dito na soy sauce, hindi masyado madami, at saka vinegar, pinakurat. Ganda ng araw. Yun lang, okay na ako sa sausawan na yun. Let's see. Good. So, kung tataka kayo, I mean, mostly naman Filipino naman siguro manonood dito. At the morning naman natin ay rice talaga. Rice is life. So, actually walking Arnold. And then, I just wanted to share with you yung kung ano yung location dito. So of course, maraming mga campsite, iba-iba. Parang may mga Airbnb type, meron din siya of course yung mga may naka-rooftop tent nga kanina eh. Of course, there are a lot of trailers as well sa mga family and kids. And as you can see, this one behind me, yan yung bathroom, washroom, shower, and also nakita ko kanina meron doon na pwede kang maglagay ng coins for washer, laundry, dryer. So see, it's really like convenient na I think some of the people here na parang nag-stay sila dito for 1 week. So that's the reason why na merong mga laundry area as well. So napaka convenient. I know it's a camping. It's not literally like no electricity, no water at all. Pero at the same time, which is very convenient, especially sa mga family na may mga kids as well. I actually almost forgot na may hammock pala ako. This is just a $5 hammock. I bought it from Dollarama lang. Diba? So, initially, kanina nung inopen ko nga siya, sabi ko, medyo nag-aalangan ako. Kasi parang hindi siya ganun katibay. Pero okay naman. Hindi naman ako ganun kabigat. At saka hindi ko naman kasi na matutulog dito ng matagal. So parang, yun, nilagay ko lang to para lang, if ever, gusto ko lang na medyo magpahinga ng konti, hindi lang naman sa tent, pero at least dito, okay din. Dahil yung weather ngayon, maganda din. It's cloudy actually, pero okay lang naman. At least hindi siya ganun kainit. Oh, by the way, later, papunta ako sa isa kong office mate. Yung family nila, nandito na sa Pinery. Nasa Riverside 4 naman sila. So, yun. So later, she told me na pwede naman daw pumunta doon ng dinner. So yun. So later on, yun yung gagawin natin. I'm also thinking na mag-beach or mag-canoe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Like, I know it's 1 p.m. already, so I don't know if I'm going to just relax here or go to the beach or canoe para mag-enjoy. Pero let's see, okay? Okay, so it's time for lunch. So meron ako ditong eggplant, sibuyas, and kamatis. And I actually have 3 pieces of tilapia. So, naka-foil na siya, medyo nilagyan ko na siya ng seasoning last night. Not last night, yesterday. Yeah, tama. Before ako pumunta dito. And then, mag-grill na lang ako. And then, ready na tayo. Pero unahin ko muna syempre ang ating eggplant dahil medyo matagal-tagal itong lutuin. Medyo na ibang plano ko na naisip ko. I mean, di ko na siya iihawin para ewan ko, para mas nabibilisan ako pag halimbawang papakuluan ko na lang siya by the way. So, yung gagawin natin today. Yan. So, ang water supply ko dito ay medyo may konting lakad. Pero I have my pail, may balde akong dala. So, dun medyo malapit sa the other side ng campsite ko. Doon ko nilagay yung balde. Yeah. So ngayon ko lang siya naisip. Kanina, this morning, nilagay ko kanina yung itong butane na to sa table. Pero hindi ko naisip na pwede ko naman pala siya nilagay dito para syempre iwas na din sa fire. Pagpasensya na ang paghiwa ko ng bawang. Okay na. Meron na tayong tilapia. Let's see kung ano tsura ng tilapia natin. Kung masarap pa siya or luto. Check ko siya kanina. Meron ako dalang thermometer. So, 145 degrees Fahrenheit na siya. So, luto na siya. Ang problem ko dito minsan kasi, tumidikit sa foil. Hi there! Nasa na kami? Nasa Canoe Rental Ice Cream Shop. So I got cookies and cream. And this is actually for Arnold. I think it's a mango. But yeah. Naka-ready na siya. Wait. I'm gonna give it to him na. You good? Wait.
And then you're in like all dark, and I'm in like the insane.
Hi friends! Alright, so actually katapos ko lang maligo. Noon, nagpunta kami ni Arnold kanina dun sa, sa may Canoe Rentals, ice cream, something ganon. Pero sarado na. Dahil ang last na ang registration ng Canoe ay 3:45. Pero nakarating na kami doon ng 4 p.m. So most probably, tatry namin tomorrow. Pero, tonight, pupunta ako sa office mate ko. Like what I said, nasa Riverside 4 sila ng kanilang family. So, pupunta ako doon at sama ko si Arnold. They wanted to see Arnold as well. And, yeah, I just actually brought yung mango. Meron akong 3 whole mangoes. And then, yun, hinati-hati ko lang. Ay, hiniwa-hiwa ko lang siya. So, yun, wala akong dala masyado. So, yun lang naman. So, yun, let me try kung I can take a video of them. But I'm gonna ask them. Alright, so, yeah. So, yun lang. And then, after that, I'm gonna go back again here. You know, just to relax for the last night here. Di mo? Ang bilis. Sobrang bilis ng 2 nights, no? So, anyway. So, yeah. So, let's go!
What side do you want it on?
Doesn't matter. Let's do one.
Is he filming it?
Yep.
You can make grilled cheese like this too.
Yeah.
Nice. Ah, I see.
And now this will get cooked.
Oh. Mm.
Can't see.
Nice.
This will be hot to eat, so
You gotta.
you
Yeah.
can't eat it right away.
Smells good.
I'm surprised they didn't put fire bands because they had fire bands.
Hi friends, good morning. It is day 2. No, day 3 na pala. See? Day 3 na natin dito. At ano rin ngayon? Today ang ating checkout date. So, last night, hindi na ako nakapag-good night or anything. Nung pumunta ako kina Nikki sa office mate ko, actually siya lang at saka yung husband niya. Yun, hanggang siguro, mostly hanggang almost 10. So, kagabi naman, nag-toothbrush lang, nag-clean up ng konti. Yun, tayo lang natin at natulog na rin agad. Medyo pagod din kagabi. But still, it's fulfilling. And also, I'm glad as well na nakita ko si Nikki outside work, you know. So, they actually also loved Arnold. Siyempre, as usual. So, ayun. So, for today, nakikita ko kanina nung pagising ko, pumunta na ako ng washroom, nag-freshen up ng konti. Marami na nag-aayos. Actually, ano na ngayon, it's almost 2 minutes before 8. So, 8 o'clock na. So, ang dami nang nag-pack up yung paalis na kung naririnig ninyo. So may mga trailer na nag-aalisan. So yun, kumbaga nagpe-prepare na lahat kasi ang alam ko by 11 supposedly dapat wala na dito. At saka dapat by 2 check out na mismo. Wala na. For now, hindi ko pa napapakain si Arnold. So I'll just gonna feed him and then walk him later as well. So, for this breakfast, ang naisip ko, kasi may bacon ako dito, at saka meron akong pancake. So, yung pancake, naka-ready na siya. So, hindi ko na siya kailangan nalagyan ng timplahan or anything. Nakalagay na siya sa bottled water na prepare ko sa bahay pa lang. So, let's cook yung bacon at saka pancake. So, before anything else, tayo muna ay magpapainitan tubig para may coffee tayo. Done with my breakfast, my coffee and everything, and it's about 9:30 na. So need to pack up na everything. Kasi nga, like what I mentioned, it should be like by 11 dapat naka-check out na. Tapos by 2 dapat wala na talagang tao dito. So yun, so I'm gonna pack up now, and yeah, and after that I'll update you later. Okay, see ya. All right. So, as you can see behind me, wala na yung tent ko. I think nakikita si Arnold na lang. So, konting ligpit na lang. Hindi ko pa tinatanggal yung chair ni Arnold kasi comfortable pa siya doon. So, yeah. So, basically, it's all done for the 3 days and 2 nights here at Panery Provincial Park. So, yeah, overall, it was a nice experience. I think this is the last camping that I have for the summer. So, you know, maraming mga bagay na nagmuni-muni, na na-realize and everything. But at the end of the day, it's a matter of being alone, but with the nature, of course. So it's a great experience, and I'm looking forward for more camping trips, and especially with Arnold as well. So yeah, so I'll be going home, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell as well. Rather. So you will be updated every time I post a video. Again, my name is Jason Jim, and I used to be an international student, permanent resident, and now a Canadian citizen here in Canada. And if you like this type of video, please do comment if you want to know more about Canada. What do you want me to show you here in Canada? So see ya. Bye.